In this video, I just want to quickly show you how you can use the PowerPoint import QQWing Sudoku Python script I uploaded onto GitHub. Now the first thing to do is go to this address here. I'll put it as a link in the comments for you. And then we want to download Sudoku to PowerPoint.zip and then extract that into a folder. That will then look a little bit like this here. Now before we touch anything, what we want to do then is go back to the internet, and we want to go to the generator here, qqwing.com. On here we want to click generate at the top, choose how many puzzles we want to make, choose our difficulty and our symmetry. These can be anything you like. And now for our output format, we need to choose one line, and then here we need to select only solution. Click generate, and then we'll wait for that to create. Now you can download a command line version here, which is quicker, but for ease of use, I'm just going to show you how to do it with the online generator. So just wait for them to finish, and then what we do is simply copy all of them, and then we open a folder, create a text file, just call it Sudoku, and then in this text file, paste our puzzles, save, close that, and then we go back to our extracted program earlier, run sudoku.exe, and then choose our text file that we saved earlier, click open, and now just wait for it to generate the puzzles. And then what we want to do then is choose where to save our PowerPoint file. So I'm going to save it in the Sudoku test puzzles folder, give it a name, click save. And then what we can do, if we go here, we can see that our Sudoku file is created, and what it's doing now is it's creating images of all our puzzles, just like that. So these are high quality images, and then you can use them to import into another program, to make your own puzzle books, however you like. Just wait for them to all complete. I'll just load one to show you now. See, as you can see, we have the puzzle and puzzle number, and that will link up with also the solution and solution number, and these are high quality images. So that's 100% roughly. Zoom in, and then we're almost done. Almost there, and then we're done. So what you also have is a PowerPoint file with those puzzles in as well. Now this is like a traditional PowerPoint file. You can edit it like normal, change the font, change the formatting, same with the table. So I hope this quick introduction to the Python import script helps you get started. Thanks for watching.